Welcome back to part two. So we're heading to how to make a broadcast or how to schedule a broadcast in Active Campaign. So we come back to the menu on our left, we click on campaigns. So this is a Virgin account, a Virgin profile, so there is nothing absolutely here. We come to the button down here that says create your first campaign. Click on that. And it says name your campaign name, and to help you remember what it's about, what do we name this? TJ demo. Everyone should know why I name campaigns by now. TJ demo test. So easy. So we click on single standard and we see next up here. Give it a second. Now it says create with email designer. Wonderful. I like to see what I'm doing. Let's see. We can use a blog post style, subscription alert, weekly newsletter. You can use any of this, or we can do it from scratch. Let's do it from scratch. So I have a couple of logos here I can use, like the Fabius Techie logo. Give it a second to load up. All right, we are all loaded. This is what the email designer looks like. Don't be scared. It's easy to use. The first thing I want to add is my logo. So it has the placeholders for me, logo, text, image, and my footer. Okay. So let's start with the logo. You just come over here, hover the three blue dots. We click on that, delete. All right. So since we've deleted it, now we can add any block we want. We can add an image. All of this from the right hand side: image, text, button, spacer, video, social, banner, whatever you want to add. I want the logo up there, so I'll select the image, drag and drop. So I'll click on it, and this is my file manager. I'll click on add a file, and I'll go to my logo. Select this, select image. There you go. All right, so now the spacing is a bit wonky. I'll show you how to edit that. We'll make it over here, all sides. Let's go. Let's go 5. Okay, awesome, awesome, awesome. So now let's edit our email text. I have a document to use here. I've got my subject. I'll copy this. Copy, and I'll copy my body text or text body. Copy. All right, let's do this. Okay, let's delete this. We don't need any of this. We can delete the whole thing. Delete. So let's drop out text box in here. There you go. Don't get scared when that happens. It's over here to the left. So all you have to do is click on this green side over on the far right or far left, and we give it some padding. Let's make that maybe 10. So take it. That looks good. So now to increase the text size or to change the font family or whatever, this is all it is. Font family over here. Yeah. And then the text size. So I want it big. Let's see what 19 looks like. Not bad. Not bad. So I'll paste the body text here, Control A, and let's say, where's 19 at? Where's 19 at? Oh, let's go 16 then. There we go. I'll delete all this gibberish. And now I'll show you where the custom values are. I'll delete all of this. Custom values are over here. Personalized tags. And I'll choose first name. And you're good. What else do we need to edit? Let's add the link here. So shop now. Let's make this a link. So I'll select the whole thing and I'll hop to this icon right here. Change link. So on your right, you input the link you want. www.fitbiztechie.com. So I am linked and now to test later. What else do we need to edit? Okay, guys, we've learned how to link a text. So yeah, seems like we're done here. Now let's head down here. I don't need any of this. So bye bye. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Now I'll show you how to edit this. Let's delete this completely. We don't need you. And let's add some padding over here. Fantastic. So this is how you edit the social icons here. You click on it once, pops out this menu on the right. Don't get scared. It's just a lot. The first thing you're going to get is the Facebook, which is here. Starts from the far left. So you have the link site over here. This is where you paste your profile link. Okay. Facebook.com/ whatever your profile link is. You do that. For Twitter, underneath, you can change the image path. This is the image path. Okay, but I don't like changing that. That's like an advanced class. So you add your Twitter profile link here where it says link. Same goes for LinkedIn, same goes for YouTube, Insta, whatever you've got. All right. All right. Okay. I've showed us how to add an image. Okay. Okay. In case you need a button, I'll show us how that's done in a second. So, where do we want our button? I think I want it below the text. Let's make it a huge section and drag a block with a button. There you go. So I want it to link again to my website or our website. And what's the label? Shop here. Yeah. And we can change the color also. You click on this and you have your hex. Okay. You choose whatever. You can choose green, you can choose black. You see it changing automatically. So yeah, that's how to add a button and how to link. Click on it. That's how to link. That's how to change the color. Border radius. You can align left, right, or the middle. You can adjust the width. Let's take the whole space, or you can do virtually anything you want. All right, since we were good, let's save this and schedule. All right, so saving changes, changes saved. Click on next. Let's give it a second. All right. So there we go. My connection must have timed out. So now I add my subject line. Oops, the network is tanking. Dang it. So our subject line is over here. Pre-header, we don't need this. The recipients, I want master contact list. I have 5 contacts, so everyone gets it. Schedule. Let's schedule. We can schedule this to send in a later time in the future, or we can click on this and send it like immediately. I'll show you how to schedule. Click on this, choose the date. Maybe I want mine to send on Thursday. Sorry, power cut, power cut. Um, Welcome to Africa, I guess. Okay, send on 23rd. Okay, the time is the 24-hour time, 24-hour clock. So let's choose. I like 7:30. 7:30. Okay, then we set schedule. Finish. There you go. That's how to create a broadcast or a newsletter in ActiveCampaign and schedule. I'll see you guys in the next video. Automations. All right.